Zorba here with a very short and quick video on how to correctly remove and reinstall the slide on an Ortgies pistol. The common 32 and the rare 380 are the large ones, but it also works in the little 25. We'll be working with this one today. Note the end of the pistol. Press this button. Put your finger over the end of the slide and keep it there. While holding the button down, slide it up a little bit until it comes off. There we go. Voila. You can safely release your finger off of the end. Okay, to reassemble, this is the crucial part. The firing pin is still here, but I temporarily removed the spring and the obnoxious little pin that's on the end, which is what always gets lost. To show you, down inside here, right there, there is a little notch. In this orientation, it'd be in the very bottom. This is the firing pin spring. This is the firing pin spring pin. This is the real nuisance that gets lost all the time. Just goes in one end here. You take this, you slide it into the end of the firing pin all the way. Then, again, while very carefully keeping a finger over the end of this thing so you do not lose control of it, take a small screwdriver, a fingernail file, whatever is handy, and you slide that thing up. Thank you. The end of that little pin is buried into that notch. Then it's just reverse of disassembly. The recoil spring, the large end goes in the slide. The small end is what fits over the barrel, and it goes. Hold that end on that thing, and there it is. Check it. I always use something to protect the firing pin. When dry firing these, the firing pin breaks easily. There you go. That is all. God bless.